Going to talk to you today about the Chef's Choice 1520, very quick little demonstration of it, highly versatile sharpener using diamond wheel technology. And the secret of this one is it does both European and Asian blades, and it does straight blades and serrated. So with the Asian knife, we put it through stage 1 twice on both sides, and then stage 3, missing stage 2. And we do the first one about twice or 3 times, depending on the state of the knife, and the second about 3 or 4 times. So I won't speak over the noise because it's very noisy, but here's me putting it through both of those. So what we should have now is a very, very sharp knife. And the way to test a very sharp knife is have an unserrated knife on an overripe tomato. And if it's sharp, it should go straight through, like that. So we've done the job, the knife is sharp. So now we're going to go on to the European knife. And the European knife is exactly the same process, except you start in stage 2 and go to stage 3. Again, I'll just give you one run through on both of them so you can see what I'm up to. So that's a good old 30-year-old knife, and it should be as sharp as the Japanese one. Voila. And then finally, with the serrated knife, all you need to do with the serrated knife, you're just going to have a go at the teeth, is put it a couple of times through stage 3. That's it. You don't do the other stages. So here goes. And a lot of people make a mistake of thinking you never have to and you never can sharpen a serrated knife, but you can, and I just have. So we think this is a really versatile and good sharpener, and just remember, at the end of the day, a sharp knife is a safe knife.